Volvo Factory Maintenance Excellence in Decatur, GA. Specialized factory technicians. Certified experts ensure precision and accuracy in maintaining Volvo vehicles at the factory. Genuine OEM parts. Exclusive use of authentic Volvo parts guarantees optimal performance and longevity in Decatur. Advanced diagnostics tools. Cutting-edge technology identifies potential issues, allowing for proactive maintenance and problem solving. Scheduled maintenance programs. Tailored plans optimize Volvo vehicles, preventing unexpected breakdowns and ensuring consistent performance. Fluids and lubrication checks. Regular assessments and top-quality fluid replacements extend the life of Volvo engines in Decatur. Electrical system inspections. Thorough evaluations of electrical components safeguard Volvo vehicles against potential malfunctions. Brake system overhauls. Expert attention to brakes ensures safety, responsiveness, and reliability on Decatur's roads. Climate control maintenance. Fine-tuning climate systems ensures a comfortable driving experience for Volvo owners in Decatur. Detail-oriented inspections. Rigorous examinations cover every aspect, maintaining Volvo vehicles to factory standards in Decatur. Personalized customer care. Decatur's Volvo Factory Maintenance Center offers tailored support, fostering trust and satisfaction among Volvo owners.